Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Based on Nexus. I am Rohit Dasri. I am pursuing BE from SVC College of Engineering. I am in the third sem and today's subject we're going to study is OS, which is operating system, and topic is Introduction to Operating System. So today we are going to talk about one of the core components of a computer system, the operating system or OS for short. In the next 10 minutes we are we're gonna cover that what an OS is, its functions, types and examples. What is an operating system? So what exactly is an operating system? At its core, an operating system is the software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provide common service for computer programs. Without an OS, your computer would be just a collection of hardware without any way to interact with it. Think of the OS as the middleman between you and the user and the hardware. It translates the commands you give into instructions that the hardware can understand. Now see, now let's see functions of an operating system. Now let's look at some of the primary functions of an operating system. First function is process management. The OS handles process which are essential the programs running on your computer. It manages which processes run, how much CPU they use and in what order. Second function is memory management. The OS also manages the system's memory. It keeps track of each byte in your computer's memory and ensures that programs have the space they need to run efficiently. Third function is file system management. Operating system manages how data is stored and retrieved. It organizes files into directories and ensures they are accessible when needed. Fourth function is device management. The OS controls peripherals like printers, scanners, keyboards, and monitors. It provides the necessary drivers to interact with hardware. Fifth function is security and access control. It protects data by controlling who can access system and what they can do. This include user authentication and permission. Types of operating systems. There are different types of operating systems depending on the requirements and usage. Let's explore the key types. First type is single tasking versus multitasking. A single tasking OS can handle any one task at a time, while a multitasking OS can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. For example, older systems like MS DOS were single tasking, while modern systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS are multitasking. Second type are single user versus multi user. A single user OS allows one user at a time, whereas a multi user allows multiple users to use the system simultaneously, such as in Unix based system or modern servers. Third type is real-time operating systems, which are RTOS. These are used in environments where response time is critical. RTOS is common in embedded systems like those in medical devices, automation, controls or industrial machines. Fourth type is distributed operating systems. In distributed systems, the OS manages a group of independent computers and marks them appear to be a single system. Examples include certain type of cloud systems. Fifth type, mobile operating system. They are optimized for mobile devices like Android and iOS. They are lightweight, energy efficient and optimized for touch interfaces. Popular operating systems. Now that we have understood the types of OS, let's take a quick look at some popular operating systems you might already know or use. First is Microsoft Windows, one of the most widely used OS globally, known for its graphical user interface GUI and compatibility with a wide variety of applications. Second variety is Mac OS, developed by Apple for their Mac computers, known for its sleek design, security, and strong integration with Apple ecosystem. Third type is Linux, an open source operating system used primarily for servers, supercomputers, and embedded systems. Its many distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora are popular among developers. Fourth type is Android, a mobile operating system based on Linux developed by Google and widely used in smartphones and tablets. Fifth is iOS, Apple's mobile operating systems known for its security and integration with Apple hardware. Let's see OS kernel and user interface. Let's dive a little deeper into two key parts of an operating system. Kernel. The kernel is the core of the operating system. It controls all the essential functions such as CPU management, memory management, and device control. It sits between the hardware and the application software. Second is user interface UI. The user interface is what user interacts with. It can be graphical like in Windows or Mac OS or command line based. Like in Linux terminals, the UI always users to give commands and receive feedback from the OS. Now let's see security in operating system. One of the most critical function of the modern operating system is maintaining security. They protect against threats like malware, viruses, and unauthorized access. Operating system achieves this through user authentication, requires passwords or biometric identification to access the system. File permission, restricting access to file based on user roles. Firewall, filtering incoming and outgoing traffic to prevent unauthorized connections. Encryption, encoding data to prevent it from being read by unauthorized parties. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.